Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, in the human excretory system, we have studied that the process of removal of the harmful metabolic waste from the body is called the excretion. And children, in the human excretory system, mainly four parts are involved. First is a pair of kidneys, second a pair of ureter, then urinary bladder, and last part is the urethra. So children, today we are going to discuss the process of excretion, how the urine form. This is the physiology of the kidney. Children, first the main function of the kidney is to remove the waste product from the blood and the urea which is produced in the liver. Children, we have also discussed that the nephrons are the each kidney has a large number of filtration units. These basic structural and the functional unit of the kidney are called the nephrons. So children, in the process of urine formation, first the renal artery bring in the blood containing the waste substances to the kidney, and the kidneys filters the blood. Mainly is the function of the kidney to filter the blood, and the urine is produced in the kidneys which is passes through the ureter and into the urinary bladder. Then children, it is stored until it is released through the urethra. So children, first the mechanism of urine formation is the three processes. First is the glomerular filtration. Glomerular filtration means blood is filtered from the glomerulus part in the Bowman's capsules of the nephron, which is the cup-shaped like structure, and this filtrate passes through the tubules of the nephrons. After that, the second process is the reabsorption. In the reabsorption, we can say the tubular reabsorption, the useful substances from the filtrate like sodium, potassium, glucose, amino acids are reabsorbed by the capillaries surrounded the nephrons into the blood. And the last process is the tubular secretion. Children, in the tubular secretion, urea excrete water and the salts are secreted into the tubules, which open up into the collecting ducts and then into the ureter part. The most important one thing that I want to explain you, that hemodialysis. Children, hemodialysis is the process of purifying the blood by an artificial kidney. It is meant for the kidney failure patients. So hope children this topic is clear to you. Children, today is your homework to explain the urine formation in your notebook. Okay, so your homework is to write down to explain the process of urine formation in the human beings. Hope children this topic is clear. Thank you.